Namaskar friends. Today I would like to tell you how to score good marks in IGNOU examinations and a brief discussion over my experience and journey of 3 years as a student in IGNOU and how I scored well and achieved first rank in my respective program. So as I have told you that how to score well and be a meritorious student, friends, in any bachelor degree program there is a journey of 3 years and you have to complete your degree within the stipulated period, that is 3 years. Friend, if you want to score good marks and if you want to be a gold medalist in IGNOU examinations, you have to complete your degree within the minimum period, that is 3 years. Normally this period is 5 years, but if you want to be a gold medalist then you have to complete, you have to score well, and you have to complete your degree within the period of 3 years. Now what is the criteria to pass the program successfully? You have to score 40% marks in assignment and 40% marks in theory. Earlier the theory marks required to pass in examination was 35%, but now this is 40% marks required to pass the theory as well as assignment. Earlier friend, this was the 35% marks, and if you get 35% marks in theory then you are easily pass the examination. But now this score is increased by 5%, that is for now the required percentage is 40% marks in theory as well as in assignment. Now how to be a gold medalist in IGNOU? If you want to be a gold medalist in your program, you have to complete your degree within the period of 3 years without any failure. You have to clear your all papers in first attempt without any delay. If you failed in any paper once, then you are not eligible candidate for gold medalist whether you have scored 80% marks. If you are scoring more than 70%, 80%, once you fail in any paper then you are out of race. So please be keep in mind that you have to clear your all paper in one go. Now what are the things which are provided to a gold medalist in IGNOU during convocation? Friend, if you get a call or an email regarding your performance from IGNOU, then you are invited to attend the convocation at IGNOU headquarters Delhi, and the chief guest will award you and a photograph with the chief guest. These are the things which will be given to you during the convocation. Now one by one I will show the certificates, the case award and the university gold medal. I will show each and everything which is given to a gold medalist and what are the things which is given to a normal student during the convocation. This is the degree certificate which is given to every past candidate. In addition to this certificate, what are the things which is given to the gold medalist? Now I will show and we will discuss about each and everything. If you are a gold medalist, then in addition to the degree, the certificate of university gold medal will be given to you. This is the certificate and this is the gold medal which will be given to you during the convocation if you stood first in your respective program. In my program there is certificate of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Cash Award of rupees 10,000 also. This is the Cash Award and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam certificate which is given to me. In every program there is normally provision regarding the award, but in my program Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Cash Award of rupees 10,000 was given to me by the respective chief guest. Friend, I hope this is a very informative video and this video will help you in your IGNOU journey. If you want to any help, you can text a message on my email address. So have a better journey. Thank you very much.